Okay, so to make dance look more beautiful, put more quality to it, you have to really work hard on two things. How you absorb your landing as you land to the step, and how you collect leg before you step. So how you collect leg, for example, on the backward walk. If you're in this position, you have to use your tummy, your entire system here to pull up, to bend this knee and collect that foot on the very high toe to this net-to-net position. So collecting to this position is number one priority. But even more important, as you like here, for every walk, every dance, it's how you absorb landing of the heel to the floor. So this will be now recommended version, because this is very rough. This is, you're going to be shaking. There is no quality about this. You have to focus really, of course, to collect it. So the foot has a beautiful shape and your body is really in one piece here. Beautiful, picked up. Now from here, put ball of the foot. And now, slower you put your heel down with the control, more beautiful, more quality you get. So you have to get to this position and even stop here when you practice. Then slowly roll to that heel, and then you stop here and finishing that foot. You can have for exercise, have that rolling feeling. It happens always backward, always forward, and always to the side. It happens on every walk. So you can roll, see if your ankles have enough strength to support yourself here. And as your heel gradually stay down, then you can do any other manipulations with your body. But let's break it in two stages. Landing with absorption, and then collecting here. It's very important. Extend your leg here, high hip. Don't open, just high. Ball. So this position is very important. Two ball of the feet. As slow as you put your heel down, then you can compress that heel to the floor, settle, then immediately pick up. So very slow heel. The same as you walk forward. It's very important from this position. Let's say if you settle, you collect, which is most important, collecting here. Now, as you continue to rotate, heel up, standing heel up, chest forward. And now you can straighten your fast or slow, doesn't matter, but you have to land over the ball of the foot first. And then control that heel down to the floor. And always control. The same if you do cha-cha-cha. Don't land, don't do this. Like step. Cha-cha-cha. That's too rough. So your body needs room to have those beautiful actions. So for example, if I do like step, I'm here, collecting body, lifting, rotating, charging the body forward, heel up, I'm falling, catching myself. I can straighten fast or not too fast, doesn't matter, but on the ball of the foot, heel slowly down, I continue forward, bring my leg in, cha, and here as I do very fast, heel, cha, you see that I still straight leg over the ball of the foot, and then continue, as my spine continue forward, I have that absorbed landing. So then your movement look very nice. You have that cha, cha. You have that fast and slow, fast and slow, fast and slow movement. The same. Is it rain or what?
Yes.
Let me see here. Keep recording. Oh, that's pretty great. The same we do for other dances, like samba we're going to do today, samba. So it's not only, you're bending to the knee. That moment, okay, you collect, you send it, there is a speed here, but how slow that heel goes down, that control of that heel to the floor, that's absorption, that's the key, the very most important thing. Then you recover your knee, collect, and then the same here, how slow you absorb your movement. Go up one and up two. How slow that landing happens. Up one. How slow you arrive. Every walk. And if you do that difficult movement to rumba, for example, for your spirals, so the same idea. If you want to make it beautiful, so instead of just going like this, using these two principles only, you can make it very beautiful from your choreography. So So you here, you lift, rotate, and so already look very beautiful. Now send your hip up, have all of the foot. Now gradually land. Don't put heel down too soon. More gradually and more beautiful. Now from here, to do that spiral, you have to lift as you collect and soften the knee. And then you step out of it. As you step, absorb this step with your ball of the foot. Now, high hip turn, collect, absorb landing. As your heel touches the floor, immediately collect with the bend knee, and again, forward, and 2, and 3,